Hey, sweetie fam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Patra.pearson Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. I also drop bonus content, so that's why you need to click the bell. Today I have another shoe video. However, it's very different than what I normally do. I got a late birthday gift and I definitely thought I should do a review. Now I know everybody got a pair of these, so it don't matter. You don't got these, do you? But let's get into it. So I have 2 pair of Crocs. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? So first and foremost, this color is like my favorite. Like first of all, I love ombre and I love multicolored items, and with the pastel colors, definitely good for the summer, because you know we in the summer, right? And then I didn't even know Crocs had slides. Slides, okay? And then we're also gonna be talking about Jibbits. Look at that, y'all. Jibbits. It's the classic Crocs slides, unisex. Men's size 7, women's size 9. Y'all can see that here, right? And hubby got me these for my birthday. It took a little bit for them to get to me. And so yeah. And he got them off the website, so we didn't go into the store. So I'm just gonna pull them out the bag. They definitely came in a cute little bag. Crocs bag. I love a good large Ziploc bag. Okay. And these are the way that they look, right? I love the multicolor. As you all know, Crocs is the latest and greatest, newest trend. Everybody has a pair of Crocs, right? This particular colorway goes with so many things that I have. Also, I want to wear mine in sport mode. Okay, so I had one in sport mode and one not, but I'm gonna wear mine in sport mode. And I was a little unsure of about the Crocs, because everybody has Crocs, and I'm a person of comfortability. Like, I like to be comfortable. And so originally how I even got the Crocs is I went to Meijer. Do not know what Meijer is. Meijer is like a Walmart, and in Meijer they had Skechers Crocs. Okay, they kind of look like Crocs, but they had a lot of little dots instead of just these, you know, I don't know, 3, 6, 9, was it 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 dots. They had a lot. They probably had about 50, 60 dots on the top, but they were really, really comfortable. And Meijer had to sell like buy one, get one for $1. And I was just like, I can get me and my daughter a pair for like $41, right? Because as we know, Crocs run what, $50 or $60 now. So with that being said, my husband was like, nah, let me go in here and look on here. And I guess he was able to get a really good deal. I didn't ask about that because I was just really excited about these. Now, those are really, really comfortable in Meijer. So I did try these on. You guys will get an on foot of the Crocs, or of the classic Crocs, okay? They are comfortable. I can wear a sock with it, which is something I was hoping I could, because I love to wear socks. They don't like slip and slide, because it was kind of raining out when I did try them on, and I like the colorway, period. Comment down below if you got Crocs, and if you do, what color Crocs you got. Okay, so now I feel like I need a whole collection. I need black, I need silver. But let's get into these Croc Slides, okay? He also got me a pair of Croc Slides. They also came in a Ziploc bag. And calm. And this holiday, so it's definitely giving Yeezy a little bit, but y'all know Yeezy don't have the holes at the top. This actually came with a giblet, so this Croc giblet is removable, and then this one came with one as well, so that was dope. And you can't have Crocs without giblets. Like, it's definitely giving. You about to wear that? So I have some giblets on here. I got 8 giblets, and just to explain a few of the giblets, I'll do that in a little bit. So I will explain a few of the giblets when I'm done talking about these Crocs. Now these Crocs are very comfortable. Inside the Crocs it says iconic Crocs comfort, and they are very comfortable. Okay, a lot of people buy Nike slides, and Nike slides feel like you're walking on concrete stone. Okay, and I don't understand. That's why I don't have a pair of Nike slides. Now what I do have, I have 2 pair of Adidas slides because they are super comfortable, and these are comfortable as well. They're super cute on my feet. I am super excited to wear a different style of like sandal for the summer outside of just like mules. I have quite a few mules, and I'm definitely kind of fed up with my mules. So this gives an outfit, you know, or look, a different type of look, or this gives a different style, a different look. So I like them. They're comfortable. I like the neutral color because I feel like the Jibbits go, any Giblet go with it. Now let's get into the Jiblets. So first and foremost, the Jiblets will purchase from, and I'm gonna put it right here, Angelic Things, which is located in Champaign, Illinois, which is where I live. So I live in Champaign-Urbana, Illinois, and in the mall she has a store, and it is a black-owned business. Angelic Things is the store that I got my Jiblets from. So I got 8 Jiblets. So I put 2 on each shoe. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm probably going to fill up my classic Crocs as much as I can. But these, I ain't want to do too much. I ain't want to do too much. So just get into the Jiblets. So this particular Giblet, which is a butterfly. Butterflies remind me of my grandmother. She was so sweet. She was so kind. She always spoke life into me, and anything with butterflies on it, like, it definitely reminds me of her. So that's why I got the purple butterfly, because purple is my favorite color. So that's that on that. Gemini, baby, we just talked about it was Gemini season. We just talked about that. It's Gemini season. Do I wish the Gemini was in a different color? Yes. However, I love that I was able to get a Giblet with a Gemini on it. And then the next one I have, Black Educated Queen. If you did not know, I'm college educated. I have my high school diploma. I also have a degree in fashion design merchandising. Okay, or should I say have a degree in fashion design and merchandising. Okay, that's that on that. Now my last Giblet on here is Blacknificent. Okay, Blacknificent, and I'm black on bliggity bliggity black, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that's on Big Purr. Now the other Jibbits I have, which will go on my classic Crocs, we're gonna get into it. I'll read it, and it says dreams demand hustle, and this is in the colors of my sorority, which is violet, Columbia blue, and Kelly green. And that's exactly right. Your dreams demand your hustle. Early mornings, late nights, all that. If you follow me on social media, you know one of my hashtags is multi-million-dollar content creator, and that is who I am. I am a multi-million-dollar content creator, and so Future Millionaire was right up my alley. This like gold and pink, it definitely matches the aesthetic of my office, so why not? And my last 2, which I had to get, period, like had to. Let me see if I can hold these up. So let's see, y'all know the Z and the P. Okay, the Z's in gold and the P is in silver, and y'all know what that means. That is for Zenny Productions, because if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it for Zenny Productions. Duh. That's my thoughts on the Crocs slides and the classic Crocs. You will see an on foot. Now with the classic Crocs, I do my own foot. I do put one in sport mode, and that is where the sling back is behind the heel, and the other one is on top of the foot. Just an FYI. However, I'm doing the on foot with my Tippy Toes socks, so shout out to Tippy Toes, and I will link the Tippy Toes in the description. Okay, get your socks with Tippy Toes, you're missing out. Now that you have seen the on foot for the Crocs slides and the classic Crocs, I really want to know, you know, how y'all feel about Crocs. Do you feel like they're overrated? Do you feel like you love them, you can't wait to buy more? Do you feel like they are a great shoe but you know, too expensive, so it's kind of like 50 cents in one hand, half a dollar in the other? Or are you all things Crocs? I definitely want to know. Y'all comment down below. Now, if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified, because I drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. But I do drop bonus content. This is why you need to click the bell, okay? And this is bonus content. Now, if you did not know, I create content regarding sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion. And most of my sneaker content or shoe content is bonus content. That's that on that, okay? Right. I am Family Patriot Denise. And y'all be sweet.